Hey everybody, welcome to What the Health. I'm your host Darwin Moore, and we have a really great show for you today for all you essential oil enthusiasts out there. So stay tuned for that. But first of all, I want to thank you guys for rolling with me. Um, this is something that I'm very passionate about, and so I appreciate the views and subscribers and what have you. We're just starting out, but we are doing what we think are some great things, some very helpful things, um, just for human beings in general, because we do have a health crisis in this country, and so I'm just trying to relay some of the things that I've done and that I've experienced over my life to kind of help others. So please make sure to participate in the channel, comment, subscribe, like, share. Hit the notification button because we're sending out videos. We're putting out videos 3 times a week. Create a momentum. So your participation and your attention is greatly appreciated. So I just want to make sure I get that out the way first and foremost. Secondly, is that I want to give a shout out to my exclusive sponsor, Cranwood Collection. They make in my opinion, the best all natural fragrances out there for men and women. They're all natural, gluten-free, phthalate-free, vegan-friendly, all natural, just 2 ingredients, okay? Essential oil, whatever essential oils are being used, and perfumer's alcohol. 2 simple ingredients. They're long-lasting, smell great. Trust me on that one, they smell great, and they aren't expensive at all. So they're going to be giving my listeners a 20% discount with the promo code WTH20. So you'll see that down in the links below. So make sure to check them out. Also, as a health and wellness advocate and consultant, I do collaborate with different companies, and so one of the main companies that I collaborate with on this essential oils subject, they make some of the best, if not the best. I think they're the best because they are very responsible in what they do in the communities that they produce these essential oils, in the countries that they produce these essential oils in. So they're always giving back. They make great products. Everything is certified pure, therapeutic grade, all natural, no preservatives or fillers or anything synthetic. You'll definitely notice a difference from a lot of the store-bought stuff you see on the regular shelves. So check them out, and they're going to be giving you guys a membership is free for the first year, and you're going to be getting wholesale pricing at 25% off everything. And they carry everything essential oil related, from diffusers to oils for pets, babies, cellular health, massage practitioners, for your yoga sessions. I mean, they make everything essential oil related. So lots of good stuff. So make sure you check them out. I don't want to mention their name. I don't want to get in trouble, but you will see the link below. Okay, so check them out. And also, we're going to be giving away a free ebook to accompany this series of 100 best uses for essential oils. So you'll see my email address down below. So just make sure to send me an email with the keyword, and we'll make sure to get that information into your hands. So we have been doing this series for 100 best uses for essential oils. So we've covered things that help you freshen your car, soothe bug bites, fight cellulite, motion sickness, your pet's health. So we've covered a lot of different oils that would help in these situations. So we're just going to continue that. And right now we're going to start with number 60 on the list. Okay. air purification, okay? Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is great for purifying the air and helping reduce allergens. So, and it also helps with, you can combine that with like peppermint oil and helps with, breathing issues and whatnot from colds and what have you. So eucalyptus oil, Eucalyptus, eucalyptus oil. Helps purify the air and reduce allergens. Okay, so I use this in the combination with my air purifier, and it seems to have helped because I'm gonna tell you, I usually can suffer from allergies in the air, and it's affecting my sinuses. Ever since I incorporated an air purifier along with essential oil, I swear to God, I get minor sinus issues now, but I used to get sinus troubles that would put me down for 2 or 3 days, just make my life miserable. Okay, so I have definitely used this in conjunction with my air purifier in my home. So eucalyptus oil is great for that. If you want to move over to the kitchen, like cleaning your cutting boards, okay? We slap meat, we slap vegetables, everything on our cutting boards in the kitchen, so you can get a lot of cross-contamination if you're not safe. But what I've started using is lemon oil, okay? You've heard me mention lemon oil before and, freshening up things and whatnot, but it's very antibacterial. You can also use tea tree oil too, okay? But lemon oil and salt is what I use to clean my cutting boards. Plastic, I don't use plastic ones anymore. I use the real good wood ones. But every time you make a cut in your meat or whatever, you're cutting that board, and that bacteria can seep in there. So lemon oil and salt to naturally clean and disinfect your cutting boards. To clean your sponges. You've heard this oil before, tea tree oil, okay? To clean your sponges, whether it be in your kitchen or whatever, you can soak your sponges in tea tree oil diluted with water to sanitize your sponges so you won't sit around getting that stinky, what's the word? Musty, damp, just nasty smell that your sponges can carry from them basically not being clean. So just soak them in tea tree oil diluted with water, and that will sanitize your sponges. Furniture polish, okay? Orange oil, lemon oil, those are my two favorites, mixed in olive oil, okay? Simple. You have to go out and spend $3-4, whatever it costs for Pledge and Renew, whatever the brands are. I don't even remember anymore because I stopped using them. I like lemon personally. Sometimes I'll even use grapefruit, but just put that in some olive oil and use that as your furniture polish. Now to freshen your fridge, okay? A lot of people use baking soda. You can still do that, but just place a cotton ball with baking soda and lemon oil to remove the odors, okay? Simple. Okay, the stuff I'm giving you here, I'm not asking you to go out and have to give up your firstborn to use any of this stuff. It's just I'm giving you simple, practical stuff here, okay? So freshening your fridge, cotton ball with baking soda and lemon oil helps to remove those odors, give it a pleasant smell. Repelling mice and other insects, because I've used this. I remember I had just a problem with ants one summer, and I started using peppermint oil. Okay, peppermint oil, a spray, super heavy dose of peppermint oil in that water, and spray it on along my baseboards and stuff. And I would actually get to spraying the colonies or the armies that are coming in and out. As they're coming in and out, I'm seeing them. I would just spray them down, and they would just scatter, die, what have you. So peppermint oil, I definitely use to repel, to get rid of pests, insects in the home and whatnot. But it also is great for repelling mice. Okay, removing sticky residue. Okay, you have these what's it called? Goop, or gunk, something like that, to remove, sticky residue. Forget that. Once again, you're hearing, I try to preach to you guys the greatness of these oils. Lemon oil, okay? Lemon oil, you can remove sticky residue. You got some stickers that leave a residue or whatever, or tape, what have you, that leaves that sticky adhesive residue. Lemon oil will break that down in a second, and you're back to normal, okay? You don't have to spend a ton of money on goop or whatever it's called to do that. Cleaning your toilet, okay? You're gonna hear some repetitive themes here with some of these oils. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is amazing. I've touted about it in previous videos. I'm a believer in it. I stand by it. But tea tree oil is a great way to disinfect your toilets. Okay? Tea tree oil. Simple. So what I'm suggesting is if you go to my website, the essential oil website, we have a package of essential oils. I think it's called Home Essentials. It has every single oil that I'm mentioning here. Every single oil comes in this pack, and in the large sizes. Not in any small sizes, the large, I think 15 milliliter, because you don't need a whole lot to do a whole lot. That's one of my favorites. So go check out the website on that. I digressed a little bit, but I just felt it was important to put that in there. So cleaning your toilets, tea tree oil is great for disinfecting your toilet bowls. And even around the vanities and all that stuff. Spray that stuff down with your mixture of water and tea tree oil, and you're doing yourself a whole lot of good, all naturally, okay? Freshen your carpets, okay? This may seem crazy, but I've done it myself. I can take a dropper filled with whatever oil I like, whether I want a vanilla scent in the home, or whether I want a grapefruit smell or orange smell, citrus combo. I just take my dropper and just start dropping drops of oil around my carpets, on my carpets, and it does a wonderful job. It's not harming the carpet at all. There's nothing synthetic about it. There's nothing bad about it. But you're going to sit back and be like, oh man, this smells good, and it's cheap. Okay, it's cheap. So if you're a smoker, or sometimes we cook up some stuff in the kitchen that smokes up the whole home. You can use frankincense oil. I've talked about frankincense oil in previous videos. It's the king of oils, been around for thousands of years. Frankincense oil can help purify your air after cooking. So maybe you have some smokers in the house too. Maybe you've cooked a bunch of fish, fried a bunch of fish, and you got that smell in your home. Maybe you smoking a cigar or whatever. Frankincense oil. Okay, so So that's just a quick rundown today, folks, of some of the 100 best uses of essential oils. I am hoping that you find some of this stuff handy because I think it's important because we have a lot of the cleaning products and this, that, and the other cleaning products, air fresheners, toilet bowl cleaners and whatnot that we spend money on. We could save ourselves a lot of money and be doing a lot of our household things healthily, if that's a word, healthily, okay, if that's a word, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Short list here today, quick 15 minutes or so. Hope you got something out of this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Also, make sure to check out my sponsor, my exclusive sponsor, Cranwell Collection. Check out my essential oil company that I collaborate with. But always remember safety. If you're using any of these on your skin, make sure to do a patch test or make sure to dilute these with carrier oils before putting them on your skin. Just be safe because the information that I'm giving you everything from my experience, not from what I've read or from what I've heard, but from what I've experienced. So hopefully you got something out of this video today. There is a free ebook that we're giving away on this subject. So feel free to send me a quick email. I'll make sure to get that out to you. And make sure to check out Cranwell Collection, my essential oil company. And I just want you to guys stay healthy, okay? So I want us to be around for a long time. We can all do better, so let's do better. So please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell because we're going to continue to bring great content. We're just beginning, but we're on a mission and we're going to bring great content, but we can't do it without your input. So until then, stay healthy and we'll talk to you next time. Peace.